Diyan na ako.
Wala siya eh. Pas-pas eh.
Successfully passed the requirements of the internship program, we are offering this internship culmination program. And considering the love, support, and inspiration given by their parents of these students, this day also serves as our tribute to the parents of our interns. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the internship culmination program and tribute to parents. To declare the opening of the event, we have Dr. Evelyn P. Saludes, the school director.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome first the parents, guardians, and escorts of our students who have just finished their OJT or the internship program for the first semester of the academic year 2024-2025. And in my capacity as Director and Vice President for UM Agro College, I hereby make this culmination program open. Good afternoon.
Looking into the realities of the interns' respective professions, it is indeed a tough endeavor, yet definitely a learning experience for all of them. Today is a remarkable moment as we gather here to pronounce that our interns have finally surpassed the challenges of the internship program. And to present the interns, we have Dr. Gina Fetch Israel, the Dean of College.
Dr. Evelyn P. Saludes, my pride and honor to present to you the 10 interns from the Marketing Management, 15 interns from Financial Management, 23 interns from Human Resource Management, 21 interns from Hotel Management, 17 interns from Tourism Management, 29 interns from Bachelor of Elementary Education, 39 interns from BPE, 63 interns from BSF, 82 interns from Management Accounting, 84 interns from Accountancy, 14 interns from Computer Science, 5 interns from Information Technology, 101 interns from BS Psychology, 15 interns from ECE, 20 interns from Electrical Engineering, 314 interns from DCJA who have successfully completed their on-the-job training. As a Dean of College, may I request that their certificates of completion be granted to them.
The School Director, Dr. Evelyn P. Saludes, for the declaration of the graduates in the internship program.
Good afternoon once again. I am so pleased and happy with the accomplishments of our interns exposed to the different agencies of the government and the private sectors. That balance the theories learned from the four corners of the classroom to know that they were able to engage themselves with these different experiences.
Sir Jeep bang. Well, pag bagong harvest ka rin. Si Mama na eh. Sa YouTube yun niya, YouTube. Pinya, malingkod. Char. Damay mo gano'n. Tingong mo doon. Kanan.
Paul C. Durutan Juan Miguel B. Duhay Luxod Andre P. Dumaluan Andre J4D. Dumapias Ayan Lucky M. Dumlaw King Lloyd. Dumpas David John C. Duque King Hubert. Durban Ian Lister S. Exalas Jeneline M. Edic RCC. Ilanda Generals A. Escabosa Zona Claire M.
Willoughby M. Escobedo James D. Estandarte Terry M. C. Estorres Divine Hope M. Fabian Excel Grace E. Fernandez Anelas May A. Florentino Stephen. Flores Dennis M. Porto Joshua Rene C. Francisco Paul James C. Ferndosa Carl Henry I. Gabrielto Jeffrey C. Damali Joshua P. Damana Ace M. Ganoy Rendell J. B. Garapan Yosef J. O. Garilios Neil Brian O. Gayot Zamel J. Gigira Justin S. Gilay Maria Teresa L. Gildore Ernester Ponce. Hinir